Welcome again. So my name is Katie. For today topic, okay, first of all, can semua orang boleh nampak I punya presentation screen tak? I just nak ensure that semua orang pun boleh nampak I punya presentation screen before I proceed. Okay, so semua orang boleh nampak I punya screen ya? Okay, thank you for answering. Okay, for today, okay, untuk hari ni kita akan tengok pasal Google Applied Digital Skills. Apa itu Google Applied Digital Skills? Okay, actually Google Applied Digital Skills ni dia salah satu produk Google, one of Google product. Ianya merupakan website. So kepada cikgu-cikgu yang guna Google Classroom, so Google Applied Digital Skills ni pun lebih kurang macam Google Classroom juga, and also lagi satu macam Google CS First. So kalau cikgu-cikgu yang pernah guna CS First, Google Classroom, so I believe nanti kalau kita dah tengok apa tu Google Applied Digital Skills, cikgu-cikgu pun boleh tengok lah dia actually barang yang produk yang lebih kurang sama sahaja. Today, introduction to Applied Digital Skills. Okay. Google Applied Digital Skills ni juga merupakan a code with Google program. So macam semua orang pun tahu Google ada macam-macam program. So Google Applied Digital Skills ni jatuh kepada program code with Google. Okay. Salah satu program yang dalam code with Google ialah CS. Okay. CS First. Itu pun merupakan salah satu program dalam code with Google juga. So tujuan dia code with Google program ni untuk menyediakan kurikulum dan program yang untuk advance kepada beginner tapi dia pasal teknologi. Itu merupakan code with Google program. So hari ni kita akan tengok Applied Digital Skill with Google. So again, so grow with Google ialah untuk make sure kenapa program ni diadakan, untuk make sure that kita sediakan opportunity kepada semua orang untuk tahu lebih lanjut mengenai teknologi. Okay, and produk ni juga available kepada semua. And semestinya produk ni merupakan secara percuma. Okay, so produk ni disediakan secara percuma. Ianya juga untuk tolong semua orang untuk pilih skill. Okay, dia dalam tu ada pelbagai skill. Okay, dalam Google Applied Digital Skills nanti saya akan tunjukkan dalam tu ada pelbagai lessons. And then bergantung kepada lesson yang kita nak pelajari, so kita boleh pilih dekat situ. So kita boleh cari lesson yang berkaitan. Okay, we can search for any lesson that we want to learn and just sit for it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so again apply digital skill macam saya cakapkan tadi, ianya merupakan free. Okay, dia available untuk semua orang around the world. Okay, dia available untuk semua orang around the world. So ianya juga learning platform berdasarkan video based curriculum. Okay, video based curriculum so that pelajar-pelajar, so siapa-siapa yang nak belajar tentang produk dia, so itu terpulang kepada, so it depends on the person who wants to learn about the program, when are you want to learn it. So it doesn't have specific time. So it's up to you when are you want to start learning it. So there's a plenty of lesson inside Google Apply Digital Skill website. So you just choose any skill that you want to learn, and then from there there will be a video base. Okay, so every lesson in Apply Digital Skill website will be in video base. Okay, so you just search for that particular skill again, and then you just learn by playing the video. Okay, so it's up to you when you want to learn it. Okay, so it's up to you when you want to learn it. Now I'm just going to copy the link. Okay, I'm going to share with you the website. There you go. Okay. Now, let me introduce you to Google Applied Digital Skills. Okay, so if you go to the link I just gave you, so it will be applieddigitalskills.withgoogle.com. So I also share with you in the chat button, okay, chat box. Okay, so this is you just copy paste in your URL. So this is how it looks like. Apply digital skills. Okay, so when you first enter apply digital skills, it will bring you here. Alright, so it will bring you here. So this is how apply digital skills website look like. Like I said, if you're familiar with CS first, so it's something similar with that. Here, again, like I said, it's something similar with Google Classroom. You have option when you sign in. You have option when you sign in. Okay, so the option here, you can sign in as a teacher. You can sign in as a student. Or you can as well do not sign in and still be able to use the product. So, yeah, you don't have to sign in, or if you wish to sign in, you can choose either you are a teacher or are you a student. Okay, so even though right now I will not sign in, you still can use the website. It just there is a difference between signing in and do not sign in. Alright, we'll explain first for the teacher. If you sign in as a teacher, okay, and if you are familiar with Google Classroom and also CS First, that will give you a class code. If you sign in as a teacher and then you create class inside there, you create your lesson, that will give you a class code. So the class code will be shared to your student, okay? The class code is the one that you will be sharing with your student if you sign in as a teacher. Because why you want to sign in as a teacher? If you have student, you want to trace their progress. Okay, you want to trace their progress. And to do so, what you need to do, you need to sign in as a teacher. You create your class. So you share your class code with your student. And then when your students sign in as a student using the class code, so when they are doing something, they are learning something, they are doing the activity inside Applied Digital Skill website, you can view their progress, you can trace their progress, okay? That's for teacher, why you want to sign in as a teacher if you have a class. And also, you can as well share the all the lesson here, okay? As a teacher, you can share the lesson here, okay? If you're signing as a teacher, if you go to lessons, okay, there's a plenty of lesson. Here you will see there's a symbol share to Google Classroom. Okay, if you are a teacher and you are using Google Classroom, you can share the lesson here in your classroom as part as your assignment. Okay, you may want to create assignment straight from here. So you just share any lesson that you think it will be benefit to your student here, and then you share into your classroom. So you assign it as assignment, so the student need to do it, but they will still be bring into apply digital skills. Okay, even though you assign it as assignment into your classroom, the student will still need to access into the apply digital skills website. It just later on you can give them score. The reason why you want to do that, because if you are doing assignment and you wish to have scoring, so you can do this method. Okay, you just share into your classroom, so the student do it inside Google Applied Digital Skill, and you can view their progress inside Applied Digital Skills, and then you can assign mark from classroom. That for teacher. If you are signed in as a student, okay, if you sign in as a student, you can join your teacher class if they give you the class code, okay? So that's mean the teacher can control what type of lesson inside the class, okay? The teacher can control what kind of lesson inside that particular class. If you sign in as a student again, you also have option to start a lesson without joining any class, okay? Without joining any class, you can as well start a lesson. The reason why you want to sign in again to trace your progress. Okay, to trace your progress. So once you started any lesson, so it will keep there. Okay, it will be keep in the apply digital skill. So when you sign in again, so you can see what type of lesson you already start and until when is your progress. If you do not sign in, you still can use the product. It just you don't have any record on which lesson have you started and which lesson have you done. It's just you don't have any record at all. If you're signed in as student, you don't have to have a teacher. You can start your lesson by your own. So you just choose any lesson that you want to start, just go to that lesson and just proceed with the class by clicking on start button. Okay, that's a difference between these three. So as a teacher, you can view the student progress. As a teacher as well, you can share the class code. As a student, you can join the teacher class by keying the code, or you can start lesson by your own. As for the individual who wish not to sign in at all, you can start any class, but there will be no progress record. Okay, so they will not record any progress. You still can use the product, no issue. It will not record your progress. For example, you already open up lesson A and you already complete lesson A. So next time if you open up, there will be no record that you already complete lesson A. But if you sign in as a student and you start lesson A, and then you will be able to see your record that you already started that lesson A until which part. That is for sign in. Okay, so now let me just see here. Okay, so here the same things like I mentioned before, how it works. Okay, how it works. So first you need to sign in and sign up, and then choose your lesson. And then in every lesson, since this is a video-based curriculum, so each lesson will have a video. Okay, so you just join any lesson, and then inside the lesson there will be a video that you need to play. Okay, so a teacher will be explaining to you in that video. You will see a teacher will be explaining to you about the product, about the skill that you need to learn. Okay, the video. And then you can learn it anywhere. So like I said, it's based on your pace. Okay, there's no time limit. For example, today I wish to spend 10 minutes. Okay, go ahead. And tomorrow I'm going to spend another 10 minutes. Okay, go ahead. It's up to you. Okay, and then once you're done, you already learn everything, then you can apply the skill. So now I'm going to show you the lesson available. Okay, I just go to lesson. So here you will see there are 118 lessons available for now. Okay, for now there will be 118 lessons available. So here you can see the topic of the lesson. Okay, get a presentation, make a formation players, and then here they have a description about the lesson. Okay, this is the title of the lesson. So this is the description for the lesson. Here, as you can see, the time. Okay, this is just assuming, yeah, it's not fixed. So this is the suggested time for user to spend on that particular skill. Okay, this is the time that normally people will spend in this particular skill. For example, there will be 45 minutes will be the minimum. Okay, 45 minutes will be the minimum, and you can also see skill up to 9 hours and more. Okay, so if it's an easy topic, so normally it will be 45 to 90 minutes, and then if you scroll down, you will see there's a more complicated topic. Okay, there will be more complicated topic and it will take longer. Example here, to complete this skill, okay, user will spend 7 to 9 hours to learn about the particular things. So it depends again what kind of skill. So if it's a simple one, it can be 45 minutes to 90 minutes. Okay, so let's go here. Example here, organize files in Drive. So for this skill, user going to learn how to store, access, and share document, presentation, form, and photos in the cloud. So let's say you are interested to learn about this topic. Okay, to organize files in Drive, just click on it. Okay, you just click on it. Okay, so again, will be the title, organize file in Drive. So this will be the description. This will be the description. And here, okay, like I said, you can share it into your Google Classroom. If you are a teacher, you can share it into your Google Classroom. And if you are a student, you can just click on start. So it will record your progress. Okay. If you are a student, if you sign in as a student, if you wish to keep record of your progress. So here, if you go into the lesson, what you need to do as a student, yeah. So you just click on start. Okay, so you just click on start, then it will be added into the lesson that you are learning. So here, in the activities, you will see time to complete. Like I said up there, they will show you time to complete. It will take 45 to 90 minutes. So here, in digital tools part, this will be the apps that you need to use in learning this. Okay, these will be the apps that you will use in learning this lesson. So for example here, to learn about organized file in Drive. Yes, this is free apps. This is totally free. Okay, this is totally free. Okay, this is totally free. Apply digital skill is totally free. So here digital tools that you are going to learn. So here they will be using Google Document and Google Drive. So right here, skill. So they will inform you what kind of skill you will be getting by doing this lesson. So skill that you're going to learn in this is you're going to learn how to collaborate, digital collaboration. You're going to learn how to collaborate, file organization. So you're going to learn how to organize your file sharing. You're going to learn how to share your file. So this is the skill that you will be getting by doing this lesson, and this is the tools that you will be using while running this lesson. So here, if you scroll down, since this is a video-based curriculum, okay, video-based curriculum. So you will see videos here, okay, videos here. This is the title of your lesson, organized file in Drive, okay. So right here, you will see the lesson. So in total, there are 8. Okay, there will be 8 tasks in this lesson. Okay, organized file in Drive. There will be 8 tasks. So the first one is, okay, as you can see, if this is the symbol, okay, if this is the symbol means it's a video. Okay, if this is the symbol means it's a video. So in total, there will be 6 video for this particular lesson. And for all lesson, there will be activity reflection. Okay, for all lesson, you will see there will be activity reflection to see if you can understand the lesson. Okay, for all lesson, you will see there will be always reflection. So now let's just demo. So let's say you wish not to sign in. Okay, I'm going to show you the difference between these 3. So first step, this one, I'm going to show you what if you do not sign in and you wish to start this. So without signing in, okay, so this is the lesson that I'm interested to learn. So just click here, Introduction to Organized File in Drive. Okay. Oopsie. Let's mute. Okay. So once you click on it, you will see that it will bring you to that lesson. And here, there will be a video for all. Okay. So here, the first video. So here will be the first video. So as a learner, what you're going to do is you're going to play the video. In the video, this teacher inside the video will explain to you step by step what you need to do. Okay. So the teacher in your video will also give you instruction. First, you click on this button. After that, you're going to share it by clicking this button. So that will be so if you couldn't catch it, if you couldn't catch what the teacher was saying in the video, what you can do is just pause the video. Again, it's a you can learn according to your pace. Okay, so you can just pause the video and do the task that was asked by the teacher in the video. Okay, and then just go back to the video. Once you're done doing that particular task, you just go back to the video. You can even rewind the video, play it again and again until you understand it. For now, the video only available in English. Okay, for now, everything in Applied Digital Skills will be in English. Everything will be in English. So you need to have a good understanding in English in order to proceed with the class. Because sometimes maybe you are wish to teach it to your kids, ensure that they have a good understanding in English, because the video, the instruction and everything only come in English. Beside the instruction given by the teacher inside the video, you will also see on the top right, there will be instructions. Okay, there will be instructions given. So here, okay, let me just zoom. Let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, see. Sorry. Okay, so I just zoom in. Okay, so just now it should be on the right side, yeah. So because I'm zooming in, I'm just showing you. So here, they will give you instruction. They will give you instruction is actually the same with the one that teachers here was saying. They will give you instruction how to do it. So the first step, it will say create a new folder in Drive, label it what. Here, click on each starter project. So here, it will be the starter project. Okay, this is the starter project. There will be link. The link will be your starter project. So the student just need to follow the instruction. So find the copy file in Google Drive and then move them to practice organized file in Drive. Rename the file, move on to the next video. Okay. So instruction will be given as well if maybe the quality of the video is bad. Okay, let's say the quality of the video is bad, don't have to worry. On the right side, there will be instructions given. So let me just zoom back to normal. Okay, so it will be like this. The video will be here, the instruction will be here, and all related link will be here. So the link, if you are wondering what is the link for, if you watch the video, it will mention about the document. So the document is linked here. Okay, link here. So the student can always listen to the teacher and rewind it again and again. So to share your work, okay, remember I did not sign in. So I will not be able to trace my progress, and then I cannot submit my work because I did not sign in as a student. Okay, as a student, you can submit your work here. As a teacher, you can view submitted work. So let's say here you're done, you already listened to the first video. What you need to do is just you click next. Okay, click next. Remember there are 6 video in this lesson. So there will be 6 video. So here again the same thing. They will give you instruction on the right side if you couldn't hear what the teacher was explaining in the video. So there will be instruction on the right side. So again here, create a name, class folder for literature, math, Spanish, biology and history. Give each folder a unique color. Create at least one subfolder inside. So instruction will be here. So total there are 5 videos. So let's just go next. So you need to watch all videos and to follow the instructions given by the teacher. Okay. Okay, fourth video, 5, 5th, then 6. Okay, so here 6 video. So the 6 videos, it will be the last video, and then it will be like a there will be a certificate for you that you can print. Okay, there will be a certificate for you that you can use and you can print out once you finish the lesson. Okay, and then here so this is the 6th video. Like I said, on the 7th one, it will be the survey to view to see if you're understanding. But to take this activity reflection, you must sign in. Okay, you must sign in as the student. But if you do not sign in, you don't have to fill up the survey because the survey will record. Okay, will be recorded in your Google Applied Digital Skills. So now I'm going to show you if I'm signing as a teacher first. Okay, so this is without signing in. You can still go into the lesson and learn. Okay, there's no issue at all. Now we're going to sign in as a teacher. Let's say I'm signing in. I'm going in as a teacher. Okay. So here I'm signed in as a teacher, so you can sign up. Okay, what do you want the student to call you? Put my name here. At home. You can choose, fill up everything. Once you're done, you just click on next. Okay, this one I already signed up. Okay, now to create class, you just click here. Okay, again, if you're familiar with CS First and also Classroom, I believe this is a lot easier for you. So it's basically almost the same method and step. So just click on create class. Okay, I'm already signed in as a teacher, so it will bring me here to the dashboard. So just click on create class. So give your class a name. Let's say I put demo, class color, and then who is the class mostly for? If you notice, I will show you the lesson are separate into 2 lessons. All the lesson in Google Apply Digital Skills are separate into 2. One is for middle or high school learner. The second one is for adult learner. Okay, inside here you will see that it will be separate for these two of group, middle or high school or adult learner. Let's go with adult learner. Okay, just click on create. Remember, I sign in as a teacher right now. So here is the class code. This is the one that you want to share with your student. Okay, this is the code that you are going to share with your student to join your class. Right now, you don't have any lesson. As a teacher, you can control what lesson are you going to add. So here, let's say I'm going to add lesson. Okay, lesson. So here, you just choose any lesson that you are interested in, okay, to teach your student. Let's say again, I'm going to go with organized files in Drive. Okay. So if you notice, you have additional button if you are signed in as a teacher. You have add to class. If you do not sign in just now, and if you're signing as a student, you will not have this button add to class. This is only for teacher. So you click on add to class. Okay. So it will ask you what for that particular lesson, where do you want to place it? I'm going to place it inside my demo class. So I'm just going to go demo, add to class. So let's say I'm saying view class. So here you will see the list of class. If you have more than one, you will see it. Okay, let's say now I only have one class. Here you can trace your student details. So here you can see number of students completed your lesson. Okay, this is for teacher. So now I'm going to, let's say I'm going to sign in as a student. Just copy this class code first to show you as well. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in as a student. Okay, you can click sign out, but for my case here, I'm just going to swap it inside of my profile. Okay, I just go to my profile because I'm still wish to use the same email, but this time I'm going to sign in as a student. So I just click on here. You will see your image, teacher. Click on it. Go to my profile. So it will bring me here. So I'm going to, currently they will say account type teacher. I'm going to switch to student. Just click on it. Okay. Change role. Now I am signed in as a student. Okay. I'm signed in as a student. So if you sign in as a student, this is your view. This is your view. So compared to create class, you will have join a class. Join a class. So I already copied the link for my demo class. So I'm going to do just join a class. Just copy back the link. Okay. Here. Now click on next. So they will get confirmation from you. So here your class code that you key in, the class name just now, yes, demo, and here will be your teacher's name. Okay, so yes, join. So I successfully have demo class in my Google Applied Digital Skills right now. So this is the one. The title of the class will be demo, the class code, and then the lesson. So I have this. Organize files in Drive. Like I said, add to class button is only available for teacher. You as a student will not have that button. Okay. So now as a student, what you're going to do, you can just go to start. So you just complete the task given. So you just next. Okay, you just next. Since you sign in, so you will be able to view the survey. Let me just show you. Let's go next. Okay. So here, as a student, you will be able to see activity reflection. Okay, activity reflection in here is more like, I will say, a pop quiz. Okay, it's more like a pop quiz for you to see if you really can understand whatever you have learned in the video that's shown. Okay, they have like 6 lessons just now. So here the question that will ask you, okay, what is this? What is that? You need to answer it. Okay, you need to answer it. As a teacher, the reason why you want to put it inside of your Google Classroom assignment, you can assign mark to it. Okay, you can even assign mark to it. As a teacher, you can assign mark. As a student, you can just fill up everything, answer everything, and just go submit. Okay, just submit. That is for student. Okay, so that's the difference between student and teachers. Totally different from what you'll be able to see. So again, the certificate you can print by your own. Okay, you just click on print button and then just write down your name. The template will be the same for all. Okay, the template for the certificate Even though there's 118 lesson inside, it will be the same. So now, I'm going to sign out. Okay, I'm going to show you as a normal people who wants to use it. So let's just go to lesson. Okay. Organize file in Drive. Start. Okay, start. So this is the a normal thing, similar just now, just the different. As you can see, you will not be able to trace your progress. There's another thing that you should know. Okay, inside of that lesson, any lesson that you are interested to learn, beside activities, you will see teaching materials. Okay, this teaching material is accessible even though you are signing as a student. You will still be able to have access in here, even though you're signing as a teacher, and even if you do not sign in. Okay, even if you do not sign in into this Apply Digital Skill website, you still can view these teaching materials. Okay, it will be beside activity. On any activity that you are interested in, you will see beside activity there will be teaching materials. That will be 14 inside. The lesson plan, sample rubric. This is for the teacher if you're wondering how can they assign marking. So they will show you here. Okay, in the sample rubric, they will show you how can you mark your student coursework. Certificate of completion. Like I said, so every lesson here under 18 will have the same template. Okay, we'll have the same template of certificate. So you can print that as well. And last one, you have option to download all videos. You can download all videos in total. For example, organized file in Drive just now, they have 6 videos. So if you download all video, it will download all 6 videos. So this is very helpful if you are a teacher and you wish not to play the video. So example, if everybody using YouTube at the same time, if you have 20 students, so it might cause the internet to be super slow. But you as a teacher, if you already download all the videos, so you just can play the video in front of the class. Just make sure that you pause it if someone have question. Again, because this is the purpose of the lesson is not to push everybody to follow the same pace. It's to ensure that everybody understand and how to use the product. Okay, if needed, you can download the video so you can watch it anytime that you want. Let's go again here. Let's see one by one. Let's see the lesson plan. Okay, just click on the lesson plan. It will open up Google document. Yeah, it doesn't matter what kind of lesson. And if you check out the lesson plan will be in Google Doc and you can copy it into your drive. Okay, you can make a copy, the lesson plan, into your Google Drive. So here it will let you know lesson plan, what you're going to learn, okay? What kind of skill are you getting, and then the terms that will be used. Total duration, like I said, it can be 45 to 90 minutes. It depends on the lesson. Sometimes it will also can exceed 9 hours. Material needed, it will also mention. Okay, the very helpful thing inside the lesson plan will be the lesson outline. So especially for the teachers, this will help you a lot. That will give you a time duration, how long you should spend in that particular lesson. Here they have 6 videos. The number 7 will be the survey, and the number 8 will be the wrap up of the lesson. So here they will show you the first one, introduction to organized file. How long should you spend on it? 5 minutes. Second one, how long you should spend on it? 10 minutes. Third one, 10 minutes. Fourth, 5 minutes. So again, number 6 will be the last video. Okay, so it will give you 5 minutes for this, 5 minutes for this, 5 minutes for that. If you scroll down a bit, that will be preparation. Okay, there will be a prep. So it's also for teachers to learn the lesson plan before you conduct your class. They will even give you a preparation what you should do before you start the class. So of course, you need to add the class into your class, and then you distribute the class code for to your student. They even give you step by step, and here you can check if you already done this, if all your students managed to do this, which is create and color code. Okay, this is more like the objective to ensure that you managed to achieve your objective. So here in the check and outcomes, you can see they will let you know create and color code folders in Google Drive. Okay, so you just walk around and see if everybody can do it. Second one, to rename, upload. Okay, um, they need to share their file. Okay, set and change sharing permission. So everything for this check and outcome, it's already part of the activity for this particular lesson. Your task is just to walk around. Here, assessment. Remember, question number 7. They have questions, so the student needs to answer A, B, C, D. So here you can view the answer key. Here you can view the answer key. So to know the answer to that particular quiz you just done. So here they have the answer key. So you have the resources. So as you can see in the video on the right side. Okay, let me just go down. Okay. So here as well, they will show you by image. Okay, they will show you via image. They will show you example via image. So here, let's say just now it say you need to create folder, colored folder. So the folder name, the color need, okay, subfolder. This is the example of what the outcome, okay, what is the outcome of everything else. So what is the outcome after you learn and creating a folder and create a color code. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, they will give you example of the result. So if you follow the organized file in drive lesson, the total 6 lesson, this is something that you're going to be able to come up with. So here is just the example. They give you example again here, and then here. Okay, so the same thing here is just a step by step. Okay, step by step how to proceed with all the tasks. Okay, and then remember they have answer key will be here on the very last page. Okay, answer key will be the very large page. So again, the thing with the lesson plan is also available for students. Student as well be able to see this lesson plan. Okay, now that's for lesson plan. It's available for all lesson inside Google Apply Digital Skill. So if you just go to any lesson that you want to learn, if you go to teaching material, there's always a lesson plan, including sample rubric. Okay, sample rubric is if you're using Google Classroom, so you can assign mark. Okay, they will teach you how to assign mark. Let me just show you certificate of completion will be the same throughout for all subjects, throughout all lesson. Okay, it will be come out like this. So you as a teacher or the student itself, if you wish to print it out, you can just click on print to print the cert. So here you just download all videos. Okay, you can download all videos. Now let's just go back here. Okay, so apply digital skills. Okay, if you go down, like I said, most of the lesson here, most of it actually they will divide it into 2 categories, which is middle and high school and also adult learners. Okay, middle and high school and so adult learners. But you don't have to be a middle and high school student in order to learn about it, even though you are adult learners. And if you wish to learn about create a resume, for example here, you can just proceed and learn. There's no age limit. It's just This one is just this is just a suggestion for you if this topic is suitable for whom. Okay. So most of it is middle and high school and also adult learners. It's different thing. Again, here will be the apps that will be used. Okay, apps that will be used in that particular topic. Okay, this is the apps. Here, what you're going to learn. You're going to learn about Gmail. Here, research and writing. You're going to learn about document formatting, research, and then writing strategies. Here as well. So now let's go back to lesson. Okay, let's go back to lesson. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, in total they have 118 lesson. You can search the lesson. Okay, you can search the lesson here. For example, you're going, what are the things you want to learn? Let's say I want to learn about drive. Okay, let's say I'm going to search for lesson. Okay, I'm just going, I want to know more about drive. Okay, just click drive. So here, they will let you know lesson showing 9 of 118. So that means this 9 lesson right here has something to do with Google Drive. Okay, it's something to do with Google Drive. So they will just display to you the things that suitable, that fit your criteria that you just key in. So in total, the result come up. They have 9 lesson. They have something to do with Drive. So right here. So you can also filter the audience. Let's say I want to know Drive and suitable for adult learners. So I just click here, adult learners. So topic Drive suitable for adult learners, they have 5 out of 118. So this is the lesson suitable. So this is the lesson that's suitable that I can use. And if you want to go to more advanced, you can even filter according to the tools that you want to use. Let me just delete this. Okay. So let's say I'm searching for a product suitable for adult learners. So in total, product that's suitable for adult learners, based on the filter, there are 40. Okay, there are 40 lessons. Again, even though you want to learn about the middle schools, they have no issue at all. Okay. So here, digital tools. What tools that you want to learn? Let's say the tools are using AppScript. Okay, let's say. So you just click on it. So now it will say showing 1 of 118. So this is the lesson that suit my criteria that I search in here. Okay. For now it's limited. It's only 118 because I saw someone ask me business and law topic. So not all topic is available in here. So it's limited. I only have 118. Okay. In total, they only have 118 for now. So this is the only whatever product you can find in here that's it. It's only that total 118, no more than that for now. So you can search based on filter as well. Wait, yeah. So this is the website. Okay. This is the website now. Why are we doing this? Why we are trying to promote this apply digital skills? Why you need to learn digital skills? So you must be wondering. So the main reason why, because we want to show you that actually if you have a lot of skill, so you keep learning. So again, Google Apply Digital Skill website is totally free as long as you have you don't even have to have Gmail account to learn it. Okay, you can just access it. Again, if you have a lot of skills, if you give you more opportunity outside to grow, So you keep learning and learning and learning. So there's a plenty of things to learn inside of Google Applied Digital Skills, not just organizing your file. Okay, like I said, even for the skill, you doesn't have to be a high school student if you wish to learn about something, the product. Even though it's for high school student, and if you think you want to learn about it, just go for it. Okay, again, digital skill is not only for student, it's even for a small business owner, for example, because by learning more about technology, so you can know how can you approach your customer via online. For job seeker and student, the more you learn, the more of skill that you can during the interview you can mention to your uh, to the employer. Okay, to the employer you can just mention, oh, I need to do this, I need to do that. So if give you also the confidence as an educator. So as educator, so why you should share this assignment, this project with your student is again to prepare them, because there's a plenty of skills. Even though there's only 118 lesson, in one lesson you will learn more than one skill for sure. You will learn up to 2 to 3 skills. Okay, you can learn more skill up to 1 to 3 skills inside your inside here. Okay, so like I said here, there's total of 118. So if I go back to lesson, you will see collection. Yep, sorry, you will see collection. Okay, the lesson inside collection right here. Okay, the lesson here inside collection is actually, it will combine few lesson. Let's say here, learn from anywhere. Just click on it. Okay. Here, if you click on it, it will show you the 4 lesson. It's more like a package. Okay. This is a skill that you want to learn, and it comes in package. Let's say here in this collection, learn from anywhere, they put 4 lesson, which is introduction to Google Hangout, track due dates and tasks in Gmail, create budget in Google Sheets and Google Drive, how to use Google Drive to organize files and folder. Okay, lesson collection is just more like you can choose any lesson. So inside there, they give you collection of from the lesson right here. Okay, from the 118. You can also learn by collection. Okay, if you wish to know more, you can learn by collection. I have question. Yes, if you're asking about certificate, okay, good question. So if you scroll down a bit, okay, I'm here still inside collections. Scroll down a bit more. You'll see this G Suite Certificate Exam Preparation. If you wish to show that you are mastering all the G Suite application, you can go for this exam, G Suite Certificate Exam. I'm going in, okay. Okay, so here they will give you a lesson. Okay, they will give you a lesson. So you just first, of course, before you sit for your exam, they give you here example. You can even practice. Okay, you can even test your knowledge. The name of the certificate will be here. Okay. Okay. This can be done online. Sorry. This can be done online. This can be done online. So let me just go run through it. So you can prepare yourself, and then you can practice by doing the practice exam, and then you can, if you're ready, sit for the exam. They also give you guide. This is the lesson that you need to learn, okay, before you sit for the exam. This is suggestion. If you think you're sure that you already mastered everything, you might also can just proceed into the lesson. So they have Drive, Gmail. So this is the product, okay? G Drive, Gmail, Hangout, Meet, document, sheet, slide. Okay, this is the product. So in this exam, they will only ask you for about for this product. Okay, this product. Okay, the exam will cover about this product: Google Drive, Gmail, Hangout, Meet, document, sheet, and slide. The best part is, once you complete your exam, you will get your result, and then you will also be given a badges, which is a proof that you are certified. Okay, so you can use these badges inside your email. You can use these badges for your name card. So as you can see here, it's the sorry for this one, is not free. Okay. Oh, I guess so. Most of you are interested to sit for the exam. That's good. Okay. No, it's not free. Okay. For a student, for student, for student, it will be 37. Okay, this is USD, yeah, USD. So I'm not sure the current. So 75. So 75 USD to Malaysia ringgit will be 326.90 for today. 226.90 for today. Okay. So 226.90 as for today. If you are adult takers, okay, if you wish to sit for the exam, it will cost you RM 326.90. Okay. So this is online. You just sit in your room and then you just do the exam. So how to find it again? Let me just show you. You go to lessons. You go to lessons. Collection. Okay, go down. It will be the last one. G Certificate Exam Preparation. Click on it. Okay, the exam will be it's not free, but everything inside, it's free for you to learn. But the exam is not free. You need to pay for it. Okay, so this is the exam. This is the topic covered. 6, Drive, Gmail, Hangout, Meets, document, sheet, and slide. Okay. You just do it online. The cost will be 75 USD, equivalent to 326.90 RM, Ringgit Malaysia. And then later on, what you're going to get, you will get a certificate, and also the certificate will be sent to you online, and also you will receive this Google Cloud certificate inside your email that you can use as your signature in your email address or even in your name card. Okay, let me just see if there are any question. Hi Malika, so business law topic, I don't think there is any. Okay, but let's just try. Okay, because in total there's 118. I haven't gone through all. But as far as I can remember, business, yes. But if you're looking for specific business law, there's none. Okay, so if you're looking for business, there even a plan and budgeting. Okay, plan how to get a feedback, how to negotiate your salary, write a business plan. If you're looking for business, there's a plenty of topic that covered business. However, if you want to specific to business law, there's none, because this website is focused more on the technology. So Muhammad Fitri, so I believe I already answered your question. To get the cert, you need to pay 75 USD, which is RM 326.90. Total free, yes. Everything else is free in the website, but to sit for the exam, to get the certificate, you need to pay. Okay, any other questions that I can help you with? So starting this week, I will be conducting a class my class, which will be the same time, 3 to 4. I'm going to go into one lesson. So for this one, it's just introduction about the website. But for my next classes, which happening on Tuesday, Thursday, I'm going to go into one lesson, one by one. Okay, one by one lesson. So I'm going to run with you each lesson. not each, it depends on the title, so you might want to check out our website. Okay, if there is any lesson, if you don't wish to learn it alone, okay, you can join my class, so we will do it, okay, together. We will do the lesson together.